Let's start with our first sight word if. Say it with me. If. If helps us talk about something that might happen. Sentence 1. If it rains, I will take my umbrella. See, we are not sure yet, but we are ready. If it rains, we can take an umbrella. Sentence 2. If I finish my homework, I can play outside. So, if is like saying only when something happens. Let's read this sentence again. If it rains, I will take my umbrella. Again. If it rains, I will take my umbrella. Your turn to read. Very good. Now the second one. If I finish my homework, I can play outside. Again. If I finish my homework, I can play outside. Your turn. Very good. The next sight word is but. Say it loud with me. But. But helps us join two ideas that are different. Sentence 1. I wanted to eat ice cream, but it was too cold. So we changed our plan, right? Sentence 2. I love playing outside, but I have to study first. But shows a difference. One thing stops the other. Let's read the sentences again. Sentence 1. I wanted to eat ice cream, but it was too cold. Again. I wanted to eat ice cream, but it was too cold. Your turn. Very good. Let's move on to the next sentence. I love playing outside, but I have to study first. Again. I love playing outside, but I have to study first. Your turn. Very good. Wow, you learned two powerful sight words today, if and but. Say them again with me. If, but. You are a new magic word master. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit teachingmumma.com for free quizzes, certificates, and more fun. See you next time, where words come to life. Bye bye.